What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss everything going on here in our country that you need to know about here on a daily basis. In this video, I want to talk about new checks going out to millions of people here in this video. Yeah, so I got some new information here. We're going to go over multiple different articles and new states here. Part of my mission here on this YouTube channel is to bring you guys information on what is going on here in our country on a daily basis. And yeah, there's really stuff like this happens all the time. So right now, this year, there has been at least 33 different states that have sent out state stimulus checks, inflation relief checks, tax rebate checks, lowering taxes, at least 33. I've kind of lost count. It might be 34 or 35 at this point. Um, I'm not sure, but there's been at least 33, and I don't know, maybe somebody knows the exact number, but it's at least 33. And then we've also had federal programs. Right now, the big one kind of in the news for everybody is the federal student loan program, which is being battled in courts actually for over 48 million Americans. That's kind of the big national one. A lot of these state programs don't get as much attention. Maybe they do sometimes in each state. Some of them do, some of them don't. But I like to bring this to everybody's attention here on a daily basis. Oh, we have a special visitor coming. Yeah, somebody came here to say hi. Baby Snowy, who's now full grown Snowy. What do you want to say? So, yeah, let's go over some of the details here on who will be or may be receiving new money going here soon. I want to focus on some of the new stuff going on here. So, hopefully, you've been watching my channel here recently. And I just did a video here on checks that are going out here in October. October's coming to an end here soon. I know. I know. A lot of people need relief because inflation's really bad. Inflation's really bad. So hopefully we see more relief coming to more people here as the year comes to an end. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, I know. All right, so here we go. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't subscribed yet. We're going to try to reach 500,000 subscribers here. And this way you won't miss out on new videos here on our YouTube channel. It's completely free to do so. And don't forget to hit the like button for us as well. Okay, West Virginia. West Virginia news. Governor Justice confident that West Virginia lawmakers will pass a car tax rebate plan, sending money to West Virginians. So they think they're going to be able to pass that. I'll keep you up to date on that. So that could provide financial money back to West Virginians. So I'll keep you up to date here on that. In New York, Schenectady County residents to receive a $250 property tax rebate. A surge in sales tax revenue, casino profits to pay for distribution of checks that will hit in an election year for county legislatures. Yeah, so homeowners in Schenectady County next year will get a $250 property tax rebate check in addition to any other state and federal payments that they qualify for. So basically an extra rebate check, inflation relief check, stimulus check, whatever you want to call it here, in Schenectady County here. So this was kind of just announced here as a $391 million budget unanimously adopted here. Quote, for some unknown phenomenon, everyone is experiencing sales tax growth. The state is seeing record sales tax growth. The county is seeing record sales tax growth. So we're just returning what was collected from the people back to the people. And this is really the exact same thing we're seeing all across the country. States, cities, counties, all flush with cash. Every single state has a budget surplus, which is a good thing because this is where the money is coming from. In addition to the American Rescue Plan, the last stimulus package, which had the $1,400 stimulus checks. It also had $40 billion of rent assistance. I can't remember if that was $40 billion just, yeah, I think it was just from that package, but there was rent assistance from, I think, from the previous package. And it's been so long, it's hard to even remember all these details. But there was also $9.9 billion of homeowners assistance, which is still available, I think, in all states as they're going through that. Maybe some states are running low or something on that. Links down below in the description of this video on how to apply for that and how to find these programs in your state, and utility assistance as well. Part of my mission on this channel is to let you guys know about all this stuff here going on here in our country on a daily basis. And I mean, this is even happening on the federal government. You can see Janet Yellen here. What a great picture of her, right? So sarcasm. Um, uh, from Politico here, soaring tax revenue accounts for a spending plunge, record drop in the budget deficit. So, yeah, the US government posted a record decline in federal deficits in the fiscal year 2022 as surging tax revenue and waning pandemic spending help cut the budget gap in half. So, surging tax revenue, even on the federal level, is doing really well. Now, they still have a budget shortfall totaling 1.37 trillion compared to 2.77 trillion the year before. Remember that former president, this is what the Treasury Department says, which, just kind of does the math here. Remember that former President Donald Trump added in about $8 trillion in debt in 4 years. I mean, you can look this stuff up. I'm not picking sides or anything. This is just kind of the math on what happened here. Remember, he kind of campaigned on that he would reduce the national deficit. Well, he added $8 trillion to it, because honestly, the reality of it is that we're probably never going to be able to reduce the deficit on a year-to-year basis. It's just kind of the way things are. I mean, we make great headlines, great headlines nowadays when we're able to cut the budget shortfall in half. So that's just kind of the way the country is. It's just kind of, it is what it is, guys. It's just how it is, right? So, congratulations to the country, right? So whether you're a Republican or a Democrat, um, it's just how the country is. So if you worry about the national debt, the national deficit, there's probably bigger fish to fry, because I wouldn't worry about the national deficit too much, because Republicans and Democrats, it's just how much the country kind of costs to run nowadays. Virginia residents have up to 10 days left to claim rebates worth up to $500 for a Virginia stimulus check, tax rebate check, inflation relief check, whatever you want to call it, coming out here soon. Details on this. Virginia residents have 10 days to file their 2021 taxes if you haven't done so yet, to receive a one-time rebate check of up to $500. Taxpayers must have received a tax liability for their 2021 taxes to get a rebate of up to $250 for individual filers and $500 for joint filers. According to the Virginia Tax Commission, tax liability is defined as the amount of money owed in taxes subtracted by any tax credits or deductions. Basically, if you owed money to the state, they're going to send you a check back up to $250 or $500, and this is going to go out for 3.2 million people in the state of Virginia. So 3.2 million people are going to be getting a check here very soon. Rebates will be delivered to eligible recipients by direct deposit or paper check, depending on how the taxes were filed, to those who filed before November 1st. So only a few days left for that. Governor Glenn Youngkin praised the rebates in a press release, saying they will be returning tax dollars to citizens amid record high inflation. Same thing with Maine. 10 days left to do this. I think it's a little bit less than 10 days. I think these articles are just a couple days ago. But again, Maine, for people that haven't got the $850 checks in Maine, these went out a while ago. But if you haven't filed your Maine state tax return, you can still do so. You have until Halloween to do so, and it's $850 per person. Or married couples would get $1,700, so 850 times two. Yeah, so quite a lot of money there. I've seen some questions in the comments saying, Jimmy, give me an update on the Hawaii state checks that are $300 per person, including dependents that were delayed due to a paper shortage, which is kind of unbelievable. But if it wasn't right here on the screen, showing it to you, I wouldn't believe it either. But here it is. But remember that this is, this is checks with, probably holograms and, special check paper and who knows what. I can't really find a lot of updates on this, besides the fact that they're going out and they're supposed to resume next week, which was a week ago. Not a lot of information on this at all. So they're going out. They're going out. That's all we really have on this. So let me know in the comments section if you've gotten yours recently, $300 per person. If you've gotten them here recently, maybe that'll help out some people. I know some people are waiting on those. It's always easier if you're on direct deposit because they come faster. It's always more of a delay if you're waiting on a paper check. But there's still millions of people that get paper checks in states or federal for any specific thing. It's just takes longer. And then there's of course sometimes there will be a, I know you can't make this stuff up, but there will be a paper shortage. So yeah. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts here in the comments. I'll keep you up to date here on all these. The California checks are going out as well. Let me know in the comments if you've gotten the California paper checks. Yeah, so those are going out here as well to millions of people here in October also. So I'll keep you up to date here on everything on a daily basis, and the elections are coming soon. We're going to be having a lot of news on that. What do you think is going to happen? We'll see. So make sure to subscribe down below to our YouTube channel. It's completely free to do so. New videos come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click the bell icon after you subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Don't forget to like and share these videos so that we can reach new people here. And I'll keep you up to date here as new programs come out. We could see the child tax credits, a deal coming for that here this year. Hopefully, we'll see the Social Security raise of $2,400. I have a video on that coming soon as well, and I'll keep you up to date on everything on a daily basis. You can click here to see my new video about the IRS sending out stimulus check letters. That's real. And here is my newest video. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.